The first customer doesn't come from Facebook ads, and it is not going to come from running webinars. By the end of this video, you will have complete understanding of what you really need to get that first dollar in your bank account. Now, this is the kind of information that people pay a lot of money to learn. So make sure to watch this video till the end and very carefully. And we are going to talk about three important things. How do you create an irresistible offering? Second is, where do you really find your customers? Because if you are looking at customers at the wrong places, then the chances are that nobody's gonna buy your product. And the last thing is, how do you actually turn strangers into your customers? And this is something that was eye-opening for me when I first learned this. This is life transforming, and you will know this by the end of this video why I'm saying this. So let's talk about everything one by one. So number one is your offer. Every time I buy something online, the thing that is running in my mind is this product worth the money that I'm paying for, right? And you as a seller, you need to have an offer that justifies the price that I am paying for. Price is what people pay and value is what they get. And with the help of our offer, we want to make sure that the value that people are going to get is going to be much higher than the price that people are paying. So this is the basic understanding of offer. If you will go to firstcustomeronline.com, you will have an idea of how I am creating the offer for that particular product. If I am selling a Tesla at $50,000, that might be justifiable. But what if I'm selling the Tesla and 1 year of free charge and the membership of top Tesla owners, which is worth $1,000 every month? So think about it for a second. The car at $50,000 and the membership, which is $1,000 a month or $12,000 per year, and 1 year of free charges, which is a lot of value, and that I am selling at $50,000. You see, suddenly the price that you are offering is less than the market price, and the value that you are offering is higher than the market. So that's how we create the offer. So I would suggest you to go to firstcustomeronline.com, explore the offer. If you are actually interested in that offer, join the program. We have an amazing community where you can test out your offers and we are helping each other. So this is the idea. Now, here is what I want you to do right now. Think about your product and try to create a better offer. See what else you can add to the product to increase the value, or if you can offer some kind of discount on your price, so your price is gonna go down and the value is gonna go higher. Okay. Now the second thing is, where do you find your customers? Now, I want you to imagine internet as a big village where people are coming together to discuss tens of different products. People are spreading around discussing things that they care about. So if you have a fitness product, the best place you can find your customers at is Facebook groups where people are discussing about fitness and yoga and meditation. But here's the thing, people do not buy from an outsider. I know a lot of people who join Facebook groups and start spamming with their products, and they do not respect the law of the land. Now, this is very arrogant. You see, people join the community not to buy a product. You want to be an insider who is a participant in the community. And this is where you start building the trust inside the people. And for doing that, you need to be excited about the topic that community is excited about, right? Now, if you are starting completely from the scratch, then I would suggest to join Facebook groups or school communities. I have put the link in the description of our community. And once you are in the community, I want you to think as an insider. I want you to engage with the community and participate in the discussion that is already happening. You can go to reddit.com or quora.com or facebook.com, and you will find tens of these communities where you can start engaging. So this is where your best customers are. Now the question is, how do you turn strangers into your customers? So far, we have covered two things. Number one is, why would people even buy your product, which is for your offer? And second is, where do you find the customers? Now, let's understand what really turns strangers into your customers. And the answer to that is by service. When you are new in business, you don't have visibility, you don't have authority. So not a lot of people know you. You don't even have a lot of social proofs and testimonials. To start getting sales in the beginning, you need to start by serving your community. So how do we do that? So here is an example. So let's say you have a fitness app to sell or a fitness membership to sell. You do not want to go to a random community and start sharing your link, right? That's the wrong way of doing it. What you really want to do is start creating content that people find valuable for free. And this is what gets attention. Service gets attention. And then you can invite people to join your premium programs. Now, from last 10 years, this is one of the most effective marketing strategy that I have ever learned. You create a product and you start creating content that genuinely helps other people. Now, you can use YouTube if you are interested in creating videos, or you can join any communities and you can start sharing your post. So if I have a meditation program to promote, I will start talking about how slowing down in your life is important and how people can get benefited with meditation. And I'm going to do it without having this expectation of getting anything in return, because then I would come desperate, right? That's not what I want to do. I genuinely want to help people, and in that process, market rewards you with its attention. So this is kind of a rule of reciprocity here. Now, if you want to get your first customers online, then these three things are important: creating an offer, going to the places where your customers are hanging out, and then start serving. Now, if you are a conscious entrepreneur who is selling something online, then I would highly recommend you to join the hub, where you can work with each other to improve your offer. And it's kind of a testing ground before you start promoting your products online. Now, if you are still watching this video, I really appreciate it. Most of the people have already quit. So let me ask you this question: which stage of business you are in, and what is your biggest challenge right now? Is it related to creating an offer or finding out new customers? So let me know in the comment box. I'll talk to you in the next video.